Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I did this springy look. This is like yellow and orange. I was like, I got my hair, well, this is actually my wig. I'll put a picture of my website again. My website is summersbeautyworld.com and my hair collection is called Summer's Glam Tresses. This particular wig is actually called Camilla, and when I tell you that she is beautiful, like, guys, it's so full and it's so long. Right now on me, this is how long it is. So like actually if I stretch it, it's like down to my butt, but if I just relax it, it's like mid-back length. So this is on me. I'm only 5 feet, guys, so beware of that. But basically it's 22 inches and it's already layered. This is one of my wigs that's already pre-made. So all I did with this one is I plucked it, I bleached the knots, and I laid down my baby hairs with some mousse, and this is what it came out like. I just took off my scarf, as you saw, and now this is what Camilla looks like dry. She is so big, so bold. I was like, my hair looks so good right now, I gotta record a video. Like, I don't know where I'm going, but I feel like I gotta look good right now. So yeah, this look combination color is like a yellowish nude, and I was like, what goes really good with yellow? Blue. So I paired it with a blue shirt and blam. Okay, this is what you're looking like when you got yellow and blue on, and your skin is just, guys. So yeah, my mom was like, you gotta go record a video, look at your hair, it looks so nice, you gotta go record. So thank you, Mom, for that. Also, I wanted to give a very special shout out today. Today is Janice's birthday, and she turned 16. Oh God, so happy birthday, Janice. I'm so proud of her. She's just like the best thing ever, literally, like the best child that you could ever ask for. So yeah, happy birthday, Janice. And that's really it. We're about to go do a Zoom call for her or whatever. So I'm gonna go upstairs and Zoom. And yeah, so I'm gonna now look for thumbnails because you know what I'm doing. Oh, just almost forgot. If you guys have not liked, commented, or subscribed yet, please make sure to do that right now. So I will give you a few moments of time. Guys, like, why would you not? Like, why not? Why not like, comment, and subscribe? Why not? So, yeah, guys, that's it for today's look. I hope you like it. This look is fire, even though I'm not going anywhere. So again, it is spring, so we can still look nice in the house, even though we can't go anywhere, guys. We can still look cute in the house. This is our goal right now, still look cute in the house. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye. All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. And of course, I'm going to always start off with my eyes. And I'm priming my eyes with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Longwear Concealer, which is crease proof, and this is in the color Sweet C12. This is what I always pretty much prime my eyes with, and then I'm just going to blend that out. Now I'm using my iconic palette that I received from my BoxyCharm box, and I'm only going to use two colors. It's in the Ultimate Tan and Taupe de Taupe. I just wanted a very neutral color on my eyes, almost like my skin tone, so that's why I use those two colors. And now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Fix in Deep Tan, and this is again to cut my crease so I can make my actual eyeshadows pop. Now I'm going back in with the iconic palette, and I am using the color Ultimate Tan just to blend out that harsh line at the top of my cut crease. And the star of the show for this makeup look was actually a color from Juvia's Place, and that color is called Masai. I'm now packing this. This is like a lime green yellow color. I'm packing this color literally all over my lid. I don't even know how many times I did this. I tried to get the best color payoff. So you have to keep going into that color and pretty much tapping it on your lid to get the most color. So after realizing that my eyes were not popping enough, I went in with the same Juvia's Place palette, and I used a color called Aroma, and that's like an orange color, and I just placed that into my outer crease, I want to say, of my lid, just to make my eyeshadows pop a bit. And now I'm going in with my Benefit Professional, and I'm placing this as my primer all over my face, and I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix Fluid. And I'm using the Studio Fix Fluid in the color NW45, not NW48. And I'm placing this all over my face. Last time I used this foundation, I think the look came out flawless, so I'm going to try that look again. For my concealer, I'm using Maybelline in the color 45, and I'm using my Makeup Revolution in the color C12, the Infinite Longwear Concealer. And that's because the Makeup Revolution actually makes my under eyes pop. It makes them brighter, but not too bright where I'm like shining like a diamond going somewhere. So I wanted to make sure that I brightened up my under eye, but not too much. That's been like my go-to combination right now for my under eyes. So after I spend about 20 minutes blending everything out and making sure that everything looks flawless, I go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Powder in medium deep, and I press this all into my skin to set my concealer under my eyes and to set my concealer on my nose as well. Now today for my contour, I just went in with my Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami. I wanted to use a powder contour instead of a liquidy one, I guess, today. I didn't want it to be too harsh. And again, guys, we are in the house. It is quarantine, so I didn't want to do too much. Now I went in and set my face with the Flower Cosmetics setting powder in the color brown, and I just placed this all over my face to set everything, my foundation, and to make sure I didn't look too bright anywhere. And just to set my highlight, or actually to place my highlight on, I went with Fenty Beauty's Hustla Baby, and I just placed this on my nose, my cheeks, and that was pretty much it. My lip liner, I'm using MAC Cork lip liner, and I used a few lip colors today. So the lip colors I used the MAC Cork lip liner, Dose of Colors Nude Mood. Then I used the NYX gloss in Fortune Cookie, that's the butter gloss, and then I used the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color Poet. I wanted a like lighter matte pink lip, so that's what I was going for today. And after I spray my face looking like a crazy lady, I take off my scarf, and I'm just going to take my little edge brush and smooth out my baby hairs because I didn't want them to be crunchy. Like always, you guys always see me fixing my hair in this video. Again, I'm going to put a link to where this wig is from. This is my Summer's Beauty World collection, or Summer's Glam Trusses collection. My website is summersbeautyworld.com. This wig in particular, her name is Camilla. And I'm just fixing my hair and everything and getting myself ready to take my thumbnail pic. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, bye.